y'all, and welcome to the Aveda channel. My name is Danielle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to recreate this super cute and funky half up hairstyle. So not only is this really cute and trendy, but it's very easy to achieve. Using some of my favorite Aveda products, I'm going to show you how to create this really cute and trendy hairstyle. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this half up hairdo, then let's go ahead and jump on into the tutorial.
Starting off with a good base is very important when trying to achieve a style. The daily hair repair leave-in treatment is going to detangle and help protect from breakage and damage due to heat styling. So that's one of my very good secret weapons. Applying a few drops of this daily moisturizing oil to my hands. Now we're just going to rub that through my mid shaft to ends. It's just going to make it softer and more manageable. The key to this half up pony is the part. You definitely want to make sure you're going up at an angle and not straight back, because that's just not a cute look. We want this to be really cute and trendy. We're going to pull out some hair and just work along with it, but if you want to hide that hair tie, we're just going to grab a piece of hair that we left down hanging below. So not one from our ponytail, we're just going to grab a hair from back there and secure it with a bobby pin. Using my favorite light hold hairspray, we're just going to zhuzh it up a little bit and spray everything into place.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing how I created this look. If you want to see more looks like this in the future, make sure you are subscribed to the Aveda channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.